I like some of these videos and I want to draw the attention to this. First, it's a big mistake to deny the things that we are watching. There are drones or UFOs out there. People are watching them. So to deny that, it's a huge mistake. Very, very big mistake. Don't do that, please. But be cautious. Now, I like very much this one. It's a good footage. These videos are all over, as you know, all over the social networks. There's a trick to watch these videos carefully. This is a nice footage of those drones. Look at them. You see? They are on the sky. They are very reliable. This footage is very reliable. And you can see the natural drones that we have been experimenting. Now you have here this one. It's also a very common view that we have. This one was, although this one was from an airplane, so they are very high in the sky, and that was a weird thing. This kind of lights, we usually see them. Look, there are lights. I watch a lot from telescopes. I know very well how to distinguish satellites from other objects like the International Space Station that we can see here, and the Tiangong Space Station, and planes, and helicopters, and even military planes. So these are for real, these kind of sites. I like this one very much as well. This one was from a cruise ship, and it's under the sea. So it's amazing. People is taking pictures and recording it with the smartphones, of course, and it's a bit weird. Is it natural? Well, it can be some device from a government that it's working here as well. But with those lights, gets weird. It gets weird. We don't know what it is. That's a fact. That's a fact. I don't claim I know it. I have my intuition, as you should have. And for instance, these ones, you have to be careful about these ones. They are comparing it with this kind of image. We are very used to them using telescopes here to watch the sky at night. This is an effect from the atmosphere turbulence, and any star, if you get your telescope out of focus, you have the stars doing like this. So it's the effect of the atmospheric turbulence. It's very, very common for people that use telescopes, but most people don't. So they can't understand very well what the heck is this. But this image is very, very common. Be careful analyzing this image. This one is a fake. This one, they claimed it was a drone that was a big one that was captured and being transported, and it was a fake. It's already fact-checked, so be careful again with those ones as well. And finally, the mothership that you saw on the thumbnail. This is a mothership. It's real? No, it isn't. This is from the Halo game. So Halo game has different spaceships and people with AI, and nowadays it's very easy. And it's very easy to trick our eyes with any image. Any of the videos, you have to be careful. Now, but Tiago, you are saying to be careful, but how can we distinguish what is credible, what is not? We can't trust anybody. We can't trust the institutions. We can't trust the TV. Yes, it's true, but you know one thing for sure. This was something for real, and it's being for real, and people are watching them all over the world, in different countries. Not in mine, it's not an interesting country to do this stuff, but that's a fact. The fact is that mainly on United States, New Jersey, etc., and United Kingdom, they are being watched. The drones, or wherever they are. Most likely drones. They are being reported on TV news as well, as you can see here.
Now mysterious objects are being spotted on the West Coast, Temecula to be specific, leaving residents buzzing.
This was on Fox.
We've seen several videos from people who say they've spotted drones in the sky back east this week.
KCAL
and
News.
now KCAL has video from two different sources of what locals believe are large drones in the sky over Southern California.
Now similar sightings are being reported here in San Diego
Check the
and across
pattern.
Southern California.
There's a bunch of red lights floating in the sky.
This is reliable footage.
By archaeologist
Those
Colin
lights.
Rambo a couple weeks ago in Lemon Grove.
I was driving down the street.
They are not satellites.
I looked at it, it didn't make any noise.
They are not satellites. They are drones. Most likely. Most likely.